Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are so sorry we haven't uploaded for a few weeks now. We are a little bit behind on our posting schedule as we have just recently found out some very exciting news, which we unfortunately can't share just yet, but when we can, we will. We have also been super busy preparing for our first exhibition in over 4 years. We'll be holding a stall at the Craft Alive exhibition here in Perth at the end of this month. It's a 4-day craft show that will be held at the Claremont Showgrounds. We are so excited to be exhibiting again and to bring you a huge selection of our products and Jesmonite workshops each day. If you're based in Perth and would like to join us for one of our workshops, we have left the exhibition details in the description box below, along with all booking information. We really hope to see you there. So for today's video, we are sharing a few jewellery pieces we made using UV resin. These were a few samples that we made to take for display at our upcoming show, and since we were already making them, we thought we may as well film the process too. These were just some cheap bezels that we found online. Because they had a loop at the top of them to hang chains, it made them quite unbalanced, so we used pop sticks to level them out. We recently introduced the Archery Creations UV resin to our range of products, so we decided to test it for ourselves. This is a single part UV resin that sets hard and very clear. It is designed to be cured with UV light or direct sunlight. If you are using a UV torch, it can cure within 2 to 5 minutes, or direct sunlight within 1 to 3 minutes. We filled each of the bezels with a small amount of UV resin first, before adding our various embellishments to each one. We know they aren't the prettiest looking pieces, but it was more to show the various things you could add to UV resin to create so many different and unique pieces. You'll see that we use a range of glitters, pressed flowers, clay embellishments, and shell fragments. All of these items are available on our website, and we have listed each of the products down in the description below. Once we had leveled the UV resin out and filled each with embellishments, we put them outside in the sun to cure. We ended up leaving these for about 5 minutes as it was a little bit overcast and they were perfectly hard and shiny. As a few of these had raised items like the shells and some of the flowers, we decided to add a top coat also. This helped create more of a domed effect for each piece, which is quite hard to capture on camera. Overall, we were super impressed with the Archery Creations UV resin. It had a slightly higher viscosity compared to our other UV resin that we stock in store, and it had a very low odor and only took a couple of minutes to cure. We'll now let you enjoy the rest of this process video and have shared a few of the final cured pieces at the end, so we hope you'll stick around to see the finished artworks. As always, we will list all of the products used in the description box below, which are all available on our website at www.uresin.com.au. We have Zip and Afterpay available with affordable shipping Australia-wide. If you have any questions, please leave us a comment below, and if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more weekly videos. We'll see you in the next one.